Best online jobs for students from home. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way we live and work. One of the most significant changes is the increase in online jobs for students from home. This is a positive development for students who are looking for flexible, part-time work that can be done from the comfort of their homes. They can also learn additional skills from this that will help to shape their career in future. I have prepared a list of the top 10 online jobs for students that are very popular in India, America and other countries where thousands of students are earning a full-time or part-time income from these online jobs. 10 Best Online Jobs for Students. 1. Blogging. Hundreds of student bloggers in India are making thousands of dollars every month. I know dozens of famous bloggers who started their careers when they were students, but now they make six-figure incomes with blogging. It does not take more than 30 minutes to start a blog today. It's easy and inexpensive too. 2. Freelance Writing. Freelance writing is another online job for students with good writing skills. There are hundreds of freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com and others where you can create a writer's profile and get writing assignments. You can get paid $10 to $20 per hour, depending on your experience. Editing and proofreading can be suitable for students who are good at English grammar and can edit the content written by other content writers. 3. Online tutoring jobs. If you are good at one of the subjects, you can teach small kids or other students through a laptop or even a smartphone. There are dozens of popular online tutoring websites where you can sign up as an online tutor, and if approved, you can start teaching the students online. Mostly you get paid $20 to $50 per hour, depending on your knowledge, experience, teaching skills, and other factors. Online English tutoring is also a good idea if you are good at English. There are millions of people who want to learn basic to advanced English. 4. Become a YouTuber. I am sure you must have seen many popular YouTube channels. Many of these young YouTubers earn $1,000 and more per month in their extra time. Press the I button to find some of the most popular and rich Indian YouTubers. It's easy to start your own YouTube channel. 5. Amazon Flex Program. Amazon provides various online jobs, but Amazon Flex Program is best for students who want to work online from home, where they can earn 140 rupees per hour through this program. You need to join this program from Amazon's website, and once you are selected, you can work 3 to 4 hours daily and make up to 30,000 rupees per month. 6. Logo Designer. You can offer logo designing services to small businesses looking for appealing logos. It is one of the hottest online jobs, and Fiverr.com is one of the best places to start a logo designing service. 7. Translation Services. Translation services can also be offered right from your home through the internet. If you are good at a regional language, you can search for job opportunities through freelancing websites. 8. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is also one of the best online part-time jobs, which can also be done from home. You can become an affiliate of popular merchants like Amazon, CJ, Commission, etc. You can promote the affiliate programs either through your blog or other paid or organic ways. You get paid for each lead or sale to the merchant's website. Thousands of students earn $1,000 plus as extra income with affiliate marketing. 9. Website Designing. Website designing can be done from the comfort of your home, but for website designing, you need to have knowledge of HTML, HTML5, PHP, CSS and other programming languages to work on this. 10. Graphics Designing. Graphics designing is one of the top online jobs for students looking for innovative jobs. It can also be done from the comfort of your home after getting the appropriate training. 11. Online Trading. Online share trading can be a lucrative business that can be done in the comfort of your home. This can be somewhat risky, and you need to know the share market and its ups and downs if you want to start this. Online jobs are a great way for students to make money from home. There are many different types of online jobs available, so there is sure to be one that is a good fit for you. Be sure to do your research before you start working, and always remember to stay safe online. Thanks for watching the video.